Hey, today we've got a new topic to dive into, TDS meters. If you've ever wondered about the quality of the water you're drinking or using, a TDS meter can be a handy tool. So let's jump right in. First things first, what is TDS? TDS stands for Total Dissolved Solids, and it represents the combined content of all inorganic and organic substances present in a liquid. This includes minerals, salts, metals, and even some organic matter. Why is monitoring TDS important? Well, the TDS level in water can give us valuable information about its overall quality. High TDS levels may indicate the presence of contaminants, while low levels may suggest a lack of essential minerals. Now let's talk about how TDS meters work. These devices operate on a simple principle. They measure the electrical conductivity of water. When dissolved solids are present, they increase the water's conductivity, and the TDS meter detects this change. Here's a TDS meter. It usually has two electrodes. You simply dip them into the water, and within seconds, you get a reading on the display. It's that easy. Understanding the readings is crucial. TDS levels are measured in parts per million. Generally, lower TDS levels around 50 to 150 ppm are ideal for drinking water, while higher levels may indicate the need for further filtration. Some quick tips for using a TDS meter: always calibrate your meter regularly using a standard calibration solution. Rinse the electrodes with distilled water between measurements to ensure accuracy. And remember, different types of water, tap water, well water, may have very baseline TDS levels. TDS meters are not just for checking drinking water, they're also handy for aquarium enthusiasts, hydroponics, and even industries where the water quality is crucial. It's a versatile tool. And there you have it, a brief overview of TDS meters and why they're so useful. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more informative content. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment down below. Until next time, stay curious.